Next part, cabin filter. I'll have one of them. Next part's cabin filter. Now, I found next to no videos on this on YouTube, so, well, I did, but I think I found one that didn't put me to sleep halfway through. Hopefully, I can add it to this video. I'll put a little timestamp on it so you can make it, find this bit a bit easier. Super easy on these A3s. Stay tuned, we'll go through that bit. So, cabin filter's actually put in there. But I can't get in there in a minute because apparently my wife has really short legs. So, move that out of the way first. And it's actually down here. So let me swap cameras, see if I can get you in there so you can see what I'm doing. It's really easy, you can't get it wrong. Let's get in there. Actually, you stay where you are. So you've got to get all the way down here. And it's just here. So we're now in the passenger footwell. It's a bit dirty, but never mind. First thing you got to do, I don't know if you can quite see, you've got this like rubbery matting sort of chisel. Just got to pull that out. That pops out nice and easily. Nice bit of it. We'll shove that on the door for a minute. Now I can't really get the camera in now. I've got to give it a go, but I can't promise. Not sure if you can see. Right, same thing, that's going to work. So you've got a little, just about here, you've got a little plastic bit. You're going to push that over to the side. So that's going to go over that way. And that comes out. Yeah. You can see this is a bit of plastic. It'll only go in one way. So you've got to get it in and then push it back in a second. Leave that down there. The cabin filter itself, again, is just here. It's a bit of a pig to get out. Mine's apparently very dirty. Good job I'm changing it. So, as you can see, it'll only come out one way. So, let's go and get the other one. So, like before, you've got a load of tabs in here. You can see they're in different places, so it will only actually go in one way. So, when you put it back in, that way around, put it back in, it'll slip all in there, and then you push it over and it will hold in place. So nice and easy. We'll get the filter in first because I think I find it easier. So it goes into a little tray just here. And then we put this back on. Oh, that's not in.
One eternity later.
You can't see anything. Okay, I'll admit it, that was a lot harder to get back on than I thought. So I've just got to get this piece back on, what's the easiest part, and then it's just reset all the codes and we're good.